The final video to fix websites not adding to collections in Microsoft Edge. And if your feature won't work, let me ask you, are you trying to save websites to collections and noticing nothing happens or websites don't appear? This problem usually happens because browser cache is corrupted, Edge settings block proper saving, or system files prevent collections from syncing. Sometimes recent updates, extensions, or account issues also trigger the problem. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with complicated cache clears, risky registry edits, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still do not add websites. But on Rexis, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of reinstalling Edge blindly, we fix the exact cache, account paths, and system configuration that cause websites not to add to collections. This works because it restores proper communication between Edge and your Microsoft account. The method is fast, safe, and works on all Windows PCs. Once you apply it, websites add to collections normally. Features work correctly, and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple systems, and it worked every time. That is why Rexis shares smart, stress-free solutions. If websites not adding to collections in Microsoft Edge is frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.